Have you ever heard an owl hoot and wondered, why? Well, it's not just to break the silence of the night. It's something far more mysterious. And here's where it gets interesting. You might be listening to a conversation millions of years in the making. But what are these owls really saying? Are they calling for a mate, warning off intruders, or maybe something else entirely? You're about to find out, but not quite yet. Most people think owls only hoot at night, but here's the catch. They don't. In fact, some owl species hoot during the day, and they use a whole range of vocalizations beyond the classic hoot. But here's the challenge. If you don't understand these sounds, you could miss out on key insights into their behavior. For wildlife enthusiasts like you, knowing why and when owls hoot isn't just interesting, it's crucial. It can help you track their movements, understand their territory, and even help conservation efforts. So what exactly are we missing when we only think of owls as nighttime hooters? Let's dive deeper into what these calls really mean. So why do owls hoot? The truth is, they have a lot to say. Each hoot or call serves a specific purpose, and understanding these can open up a whole new world for you. First and foremost, hooting is a way for owls to establish their territory. By marking their space with distinct vocalizations, they send a clear message to other owls. This is my home. Owls also hoot to attract mates during the breeding season. When a male hoots, he's not just showing off his vocal prowess, he's signaling his fitness and readiness to find a partner. So if you hear a passionate hooting session, it's likely a courtship display. Additionally, hoots can serve as warnings. If an owl senses danger, a low warning hoot can alert nearby owls to potential threats. This vocal communication is vital for survival in the wild. Owls are not one-dimensional hooters. They have a diverse vocal repertoire. Let's break down the different types of hoots and what they mean. First up, the classic long hoot. This is often associated with male owls during the mating season, projecting power and confidence. But there's also a short, repetitive hoot which can signal a female's presence or excitement. Then we have the territorial hoot. It's louder and more aggressive, intended to deter intruders. If you hear this kind of hooting, it's a clear message, stay away. But here's the surprising part. Not all calls are hoots. Some owls, like the barn owl, communicate with eerie screeches or hisses. These vocalizations are often used during nesting to warn off potential threats. And let's not forget the soft cooing sounds. These gentle calls often signify comfort or bonding between mates, highlighting the softer side of their communication. So while hooting may seem straightforward, it's actually a complex language filled with nuances. But what drives this fascinating vocal variety? That's what we'll explore next. Now let's dive into the science behind these remarkable vocalizations. Researchers have spent years studying owl communication, and what they've discovered is both intriguing and vital for understanding these nocturnal hunters. One fascinating study found that different species of owls have distinct hooting patterns, much like dialects in human language. This means that an eastern screech owl's call is different from that of a great horned owl, allowing them to communicate effectively without confusion. But it doesn't stop there. Researchers also learned that environmental factors like the time of year and habitat influence how and when owls hoot. For example, during the mating season, hoots may become more frequent and varied as males compete for attention. Additionally, studies have shown that owls are sensitive to their surroundings. If they feel threatened or disturbed, they may change their vocal patterns to more aggressive calls, highlighting their adaptability and intelligence. So, understanding the science behind their hoots is crucial, not just for bird enthusiasts, but for conservationists working to protect these incredible creatures. But what can all this knowledge teach us about the nature of communication in the wild? Let's wrap it all up and find out. We've explored the mysterious world of owl hooting today, from the reasons behind their calls to the fascinating scientific insights that reveal their complex communication. But here's the big takeaway. Understanding why owls hoot isn't just about appreciating nature. It's about recognizing the vital role these vocalizations play in their survival and our ecosystems. Owls hoot to establish territory, attract mates, and warn of danger, each call a unique part of their story. And with over a dozen distinct sounds, they speak a language as rich and varied as any human dialect. So the next time you hear an owl hoot, remember that you're not just hearing a sound. You're listening to a conversation filled with meaning and purpose. By understanding these calls, you can connect more deeply with these remarkable creatures and contribute to their conservation. If you enjoyed this dive into the secrets of owl communication, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing facts about the natural world. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders around you.